Hi everyone, this is the Math 10C Polynomials Review. This is written response 12. Find expressions for the lengths of the sides A and B in the following diagram. Okay, so we're looking for A and B here. Okay, now this is a pretty standard example. You're going to see stuff like this quite a bit here. So let's pick A to start off with. So we have to assume in this case, and this is a safe assumption, that all of these angles here, okay, are right angles. Meaning that if this little chunk wasn't cut out, this would be a rectangle, and that this side would be the same as this side. So that should mean that A is going to be the same as this side right here, where we subtract this piece from it. Okay, so let's come over here. A should be the same as 18x squared plus 4 minus, and I got to put this in brackets because I have to subtract the whole expression here, 15 minus 6. Okay, now let's just put this together. We got to group together like terms. Now I've got this 18x squared here. There is nothing else that's like that, so it stays by itself. Now I'm also looking for a linear term. There's no linear term here. There's no x term all by itself in this expression, but there is one in here, and this is minus that term. So this has got to be minus 15x. Okay, now I look at the constants. I've got a constant term here and a constant term here. So this is going to be positive 4 minus negative 6. Minus negative 6 means add 6, so this will be plus 10. So the expression for A right here will be 18x squared minus 15x plus 10. To get B is essentially the same thing. This side right here should be the same as this side plus this side. Okay, which means B should therefore be this side where we subtract this 3x minus 1. So here we go. So B is going to equal 5x squared plus 4x minus 10 minus, and I got to put this in brackets here because I'm subtracting the whole expression. Whoops. Oh, no, you can see that. So now I just got to put together the like terms. So 5x squared. Okay, well there are no other x squared terms here, so that one, nothing gets taken away from it. It stays the way it is. Now I look at my linear terms, or to the degree of 1 here. So 4x, okay, there's 1 in here, but I got to subtract it. So 4x minus 3x will just be x. And then I look at the constants. Negative 10 minus negative 1. Okay, now you should be seeing at this point that this little pattern has shown up in like the last few examples, because I keep going back to this because I really need you to be looking out for this. Negative 10 minus negative 1 means add 1, so this will be minus 9. And that's the expression for B that we're looking for. So here are two values for A and B.